Hi, welcome again to new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can get data from the servlet and set that view in our JSP page. In last video, we have seen how to submit a form data to the servlet, but in this video, we are going to see how we can get the data from the servlet to our JSP page. Okay, if you didn't watch that video, just to go back to our playlist and check the last video, submit a JSP form to Servlet. And before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, so please do subscribe on my channel and turn on notification to get notification once I upload next video. Okay, let's go back to my NetBeans ID. And actually, this is our old project, and I already recorded this video, but unfortunately, I lost that recording because I forget to save that video. Okay, but no problem here. I will describe you every lines of code. Don't worry about that. So for that, we have to create a JSP page for our view. So here I create a user data.jsp page. Let me open this page. So here this is our simple JSP table here. You can check out there, and this is our simple table, and here I set that data using JSP scriptlet tag, but this is not compulsory right now. Let me run this project and just go to the user data.jsp, and you can see that here's some exception because we don't have any session here, or we don't have any data here. And line number 31, you can see that user dot get name, we are getting an exception here because we don't have any data here. So first of all, we created a simple table name and the data, and then we create a simple pozo that's called plain object. So for that, go back to our source package and create a new simple Java class. Okay, let me open this Java class. Okay, this is our simple Java pozo, or you can see it's a bean. So here we have all the field has set in our form. So name, email, password, gender, DOB, and profession. Then we create a simple constructor and getter and setter for all fields. Okay, that's all about our pozo bean. Now go back to our servlet, and in last video we work in this line. So work, we just get all data and print those data, but I did a comment here, and then I create a simple user object here, user object, and created a new user using those parameter, using those form data. So name, email, password, gender, date of birth, and profession. And then we set our data in our session. So HttpSession ss equal request dot get session, so that we are enable session for this project, and we set attribute for the in that session. So ss dot set attribute, so user, and this is the attribute name. We'll access using this name, we'll access our session in anywhere in this project. And this is the object name, this is the object. And response, then we are set response dot send redirect to user dot jsp page. That means when user click on submit button, we are sending the user to the user data.jsp page. We are redirecting the client to the user data.jsp page. Okay, and when user will go to the JSP page, user data.jsp page, on that time it's time to fetch that data. So for that, I start expression tag, and here is user object, user, and session dot get attribute. in servlet we set attribute, and now we are using get attribute, and here's the attribute name we already set in our servlet page. So let's go back to our servlet page, and you can see that we set our user, set our attribute name user. So that's why here we are set that user, it should be same, and here we pass that user casting. Let me remove it, then you can see that it's a error, because object cannot be converted to a user. So for that we need to cast that user, then the error will be gone. And now it's time to set our user data. So here I start a JSP scriptlet tag. So let me remove it. Let me show you one scriptlet tag. We have set user dot get name. You can check that user dot get name. So using this way I set all data: user dot get email, user dot get password, user dot get gender, and user dot get dob, and user dot get profession. So that's all our work in this user data.jsp page. Let's just run this project, and here set on name, fill the form, and set gender, date of birth, and take it as user, and click on submit. So in user data.jsp page you can see that we get our all data. We get our name data, we get our email, we get our password, we get our gender, and we get our date of birth and profession. So that's all for this video tutorial. I hope you learn from this video. If you learn from this video, please thumbs up this video and share it with your friends. And still, if you didn't subscribe my channel, so do subscribe on my channel and turn on notification to get notification when I upload next video. So if you have any problem, if you face any problem, or if you have any question, you can comment your question. I will reply you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in next video.